Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good morning. Good morning, YouTube. It's on the trader, and today, I'm about to share my screen with the AUDUSD. I marked this chart yesterday afternoon, I believe. It was around like before 5 p.m. I started marking it, and I saw that it was respecting the. Hold on, let me go on. Like price was respecting the support. Like you can see, it hit it right here. Once, twice, and thrice, pretty much before it started moving up, right? But at the bottom right here, I was looking at I started marking the bottom because it was going up like right here, trying to push up. Then sellers took it down, and market came back down here, made another support. And from this support, price started pushing up, right? Price started pushing up, and right here, that's when it kind of like was consolidating a little bit because of this support. It was retesting this support a lot, and yeah, and price started pushing up and going. I did get in this entry. Let me go on my phone quick. Did get in this entry. Like you can see, I put my stop loss and all. Yeah, like the trade is. Did get in this entry. You can see the blue. You can see the blues on the screen. Yeah, I did get in this entry, man. Yes, sir. Yeah. Currently profits with it. And yeah, like I did move my stop loss. Even though it shows my stop loss is at 0.71017, I did move my stop loss and profit at 0.71319. Like you can see the little red line on my phone screen. Hold on. The red line is the stop loss. That's why I moved it. And in the blue, that's why I bought, and yeah, like since it's in profit, I just moved my stop loss with it. Uh, yeah, like my take profit is at 71,885. Uh, so like like by the time 9 o'clock happens, I know this candle's about to close at 9, and I'm already in profit. I already put my stop loss in profit, and just waiting for the TP to get smashed, and just being patient. Just be patient and things like that. Oh yeah, my last live video, I was talking about US 30, guys, and yeah, US 30 was moving, and I did close in profit with US 30. And it's on the profit account, I did close. Yeah. So yeah, pretty much for AUD USD. I mean, the 4 hours are strong. You see this right here. Like the 4 hour candles are very very strong, and I'm saying because I like I said, I'm moving my stop loss to 319. Hold on, let me put a line right here, 319, where I move my stop loss at 319. really, but zoom in real quick. Okay, let me change the color. Let me change as red. Just remember, this is where my stop loss is at. Yeah, this is where my stop loss is at, man. This is where I move my stop loss at. I move my stop loss on right here, these rejection lines previously. So I move my stop loss, giving enough room to breathe, because I give it enough room so it can do whatever it wants to do. Um, yeah, man. Like I said, patience, just patience. This week was kind of, like beginning of this week. Like I did trade Euro NZDs. I don't think I'm gonna trade NZD pairs anymore. Besides NZD USD, which is kind of connected to the USD, which could be good. You know what I'm saying? But like other exotic, European pairs, I think I'm done with those because these are not really they're not really that good to me, bro. They really not. So um yeah, man, like US 30 was good on the profit from account. It really did, you know, change some things on the profit from account for me. I ain't gonna lie. Now AUD USD, just like just being patient with it before today markets close, because today's Friday, markets close at 5 p.m. So just gonna be patient with that, and yeah, gotta be patient. But yeah, man. Like I said, this week was kind of, but um, as a trader, you just get used to it, man. You just get used to it because you already know the markets is not gonna be go your way all the time. So yeah, I want to focus more on trading like in indexes and stuff like that, like US 30 NAS, maybe gold. I mean, I haven't traded gold since March, March of this year. Yeah, that's the last time I traded gold. I remember. But I don't know. I'm just kind of trying to take it a little slow and then rise up and with it. But yeah, it's just like I said, man, just believe in your strategy and just look at what the market is doing. Pay attention to what the chart is showing you. Don't rush. Don't rush anything, man. Just pay attention. Just be patient and mark the charts. Go on the higher time frame. Like I said, the higher time frame, the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour. These are the time frames where you analyze the markets. You analyze. You're looking at the long term trend, right? And the 15 minute, that's what I use to get in my entries. Sometimes you can use the 5 minute for better, entries and stuff like that. But yeah, man, like I said, smaller time frames to take the entries. 1 hour, 4 hour daily. That's where you look at the markets on the long term trend. Is it buying long term or is it going to sell long term? So yeah, like I said, patience and yeah, All right, guys, I'm about to end this live video, and I was just showing you guys like why I entered this trade, why I follow my plan and my rules in this trade, and just go with it. But yeah, today's Friday, man. At 5 p.m. today, the market closed, and another week to another. I'm saying till Sunday. Yeah, man, just enjoy the week, and hey, man, just learn something new. Do something different. Yeah, I'll catch you guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.